What the fuck, dude? No way. Yeah, he got balls chopped off. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again to see this TSX rebuild. Got a couple things to do. We gotta ship out the coil for the lucky winner, Christian Salvador, if I remember correctly. Congrats to you. Got the coils in the back. We'll go ahead and try to get that shipped out to you today. Thanks for being patient with us, man. We've been really busy. Second, we gotta go to the homie's dad's house to cut the radiator support off the other TSX. Third, we might have a welder come in today and weld that radiator support in. So hopefully everything goes as planned, and then we can actually start putting parts on after that radiator support's welded on. Let's cut to the chase and get the day started. Let's go. Oh man, hey, you cleaned up your garage though. We're at the donor's car's house. I don't want to show too much just due to their privacy, but I'm gonna show you what I can. Here's the car we've been taking parts out from.
So this is what we're gonna do. Cut this right here. Yep. No, but this one is hard right here.
Yeah.
So we have to cut it from here. It's gonna be hard to weld.
Yeah. Well, yeah, here's the TSX that's just been sitting here. But yeah, just grabbing the alternator and little parts like the inlet take thing.
For the radiator.
Yeah, for the radiator.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for right now.
Let's go. Just got back to Foo's house. We got a couple parts we needed. Alternator. We're gonna see if this fits. A couple plastic pieces for the front.
We're gonna take off the fender, the headlights.
Right now we're all thinking just to take off the whole left side of it, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cut the whole other radiator support and see if it can weld on. That's probably our best plan right now, because we don't want it crooked. Once we if we did cut it halfway and this is still bent, we don't know if the hood's gonna line up straight. So just gonna chop it right here, chop that off, and this part off, and then we're gonna have a whole new radiator support that's gonna go in right here.
Alright, let's take off the alternator.
Let's get to work. You can do that, I'll do the fender and shit.
Okay.
Right now we're gonna do some crazy shit. Can't get the alternator out because this bar is bent in there, so I'm gonna tie a string to this, put it on my truck, and see if we can pull it out. Think that's a good idea?
Hope so. Okay, how?
I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, look at this. You ready?
Hey. Yeah. Go, keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Good, good, good. Dude, it worked, dude. It worked. Look. Check it out.
Hey.
Dude.
Yo,
Dude, it worked. Should we just keep it like that?
It's kind of bent though.
If everything lines up. I mean, I told you to stop, but I didn't, get it in full sanding. That's like half sand. Yeah. Should we pour out a little bit more? Keep going. Good, good, good. Dude, it's straight. Yeah. That's serious. Dude, that's how it is.
Yo, what the fuck?
Show him.
Yo, look at this. Before the bar was like clear over here. Now it's
straight.
Straight and down.
Should we try to put everything back together? Put on the radiator?
I don't know if it's gonna fit though. We still need to weld this part though, for sure.
But dude, I mean, look at that.
I don't know if all these brackets are gonna hold your headlight though.
It will. There's a high chance it will. The thing is, let's test it out.
Got the new alternator in with the brand new plug. I don't know if you guys remember last time, this plug was fucked up. And yeah, now we're gonna get the belt on. Then on to the next thing. We aligned this radiator support pretty good. So we're gonna try to see if we can get away with it. Just got the new alternator and the belt on. Everything lines up perfectly. So we're stoked. On to the black inlet flange, and then probably try to mock up the radiator. Right now me and Fu about to do the little getaway, see if it works, because we bent it back pretty good, and we're gonna see if everything lines up. If not, we're just gonna go ahead and get the other radiator support. But we're gonna go ahead and chop this motherfucker off right here. The fender we barely put back in, and it's lining up really good. Just gotta bolt that in, and dude, look, perfect. Then the headlight is gonna fit on pretty good because we already test fitted it just barely, and everything should line up. So we're hoping this works. We have a friend that might just weld us a little bar right here, so we'll see if that works. If not, we'll go ahead and get the whole radiator support. Ready?
Yeah. Y'all ready?
I'm scared.
Right here. Ooh. That one go in there. And then we have the AC line right here.
Yep.
Go all the way right there.
Yo.
We're done.
Dude, we just put the radiator on just for fun. And each bolt lines up perfectly.
Hey, where did this one go?
That goes to the overflow.
Overflow?
Yeah.
This one?
The two, it's a bucket.
This one, right?
Yes,
Oh.
with that bracket.
Yeah, oh, I have a bracket. It's right here somewhere.
Yeah, we just barely like put it on for fun to see if it'll line up, and dude, everything lines up perfectly. Look at this.
Okay, good. Where's the bucket? Should
Look
we
at that.
put in a bucket right now?
Yo, what the hell? Well, we just threw on the lights, the hood, and the fenders. You guys ready to see how it looks? What the fuck, dude? No way. I mean, these aren't bolted in, so that's why there's a gap right here. But the only bad thing about this hood is this and this. What happened here?
I don't know. It looks like a tree fall off.
Yeah. But oh my dude, look at this. You stoked?
Yeah, it's almost ready.
Yeah.
It's ready to go.
We didn't expect it to fit. But wow.
Hey, comment below. Ask them what color should I paint it or wrap it?
Ooh.
Yeah.
We need to. We need to wrap it or paint it.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna end it here. It's getting really cold and I got things to do. But I'm glad everything lined up. Tomorrow we're gonna be working on the radiator. Tightening up a little of the wiring. And that's it. But yeah, fool, any last words?
That's it. Stay tuned for part 2, part 3.
Part 3, baby.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.